Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, Marcia with Momneedsaclone. So today I'm going to share with you guys my planner setup. I'm hoping this video is going to be super quick because I'm not going to really go into depth. It's identical to the video I already have up, so you can go over and watch that one. But this one I just wanted to kind of compare and contrast the two. The Filofax Domino Soft and then the Filofax Domino Original. They're pretty much the same, just this one is, like they say, a little bit softer. So the size for me is perfect, so I'm sticking with this. I'm not going back to any other system. This works out perfectly for me. So yeah, I'll just jump in and share with you guys my planner. Sorry about the sun and stuff. I'm in the living room because I think that's the easiest location for me to film with the light that's left in the day. And I got one next to me that's typing, so you might hear that, and the other one is looking at me through the window playing basketball. He's looking at me shrugging his shoulders. I don't know. What did he want, Moo? So anyway, so here is the Filofax Domino Soft, and it's in the color Fawn, I believe. And I got this back in August 2017. What happened out there? Oh, okay. So this is the one I've been using since August 2017. So yeah, this is pretty much my planner of choice. I found that it's the perfect size. It goes with me everywhere. It's not too big or too small. It's perfect. So I was just using weeklies that I had made up, and then in December I actually started using just basic single sheet pages that I just cut down. So that's kind of what we have here, is just my single sheets, and honestly it worked out. I printed my cleaning schedule for the month and cut those into stickers, and then every day I just went through and put those up. And then the kids like chore sheet, I was trying to do it for the week, but as you see, it really didn't work out that way. I really need them to be on each page. But yeah, this is literally just paper cut into the size of the planner. So this worked out actually really well for me. I didn't have to buy inserts. I didn't have to design anything. I just cut it, and other than the stickers, that was the only thing I had to do on my silhouette, and that helped cut down on my cleaning schedule. It lets me know what laundry, what cleaning or whatever I had to do for the house, and it was really easy. So that's what I did, and then I decorated. So the single page daily sheets worked out great, and then I started getting sick, so you'll see it starts to become like kind of blank or whatever, not with much planning at all because I wasn't really doing too much. And then I got started back feeling better and started working a little bit more on it. So but yeah, so I started to do the single sheets. So that was from December. So yeah, I used this pretty much August through December. I knew I wanted to get a black one, but they didn't have black in the Filofax Domino Soft, so I just went with the Filofax Domino Personal in black, and I used the January Planner Society kit to decorate it. So that's one of the little cards that come in the set. So yeah, so this is it. I thought like something was wrong with it because you can see the lines, but then when I saw other videos they had the same thing, so I was like, oh okay, perfect. So it does have some kind of, if you can see, I don't know how good the lighting is, but it has these little lines in it. So yeah, it's just black, and it's got, it's not white, maybe it's cream, like a cream stitching or something. It looks like the color of the band. So yeah, I just put a little bit of decorations in the pocket and moved on. This was all over here. I just moved it into here, so this is nothing new. Got some sticky notes. So this was in the Planner Society kit for January, and I just put the stickers in here because I'm going to use that to decorate my February pages. And then this was also in the kit. And then here's my daily dashboard. So we get into January, And what I did for January was I created an actual insert where I just typed up the cleaning. Instead of it being a sticker, I just typed it onto the page. I put my family tracker on there, a spot for dinner, a spot for kids' chores. Everything else is just a blank page, which I can show you later, but that gave me space to pretty much do whatever I wanted on this sheet. So I basically have a daily on 2 pages is what I created, and I kept up here blank for me to write in the date. So I'll try to flip through that quickly. So as you can see, it's like we had dinner, and then who did their chores, who has to be where. And then usually I put Etsy down at the bottom, and then random stuff that I have to do that day. So it just depends on what's going on. So it helps. I like the family tracker because I can look right here and know who has to be where and at what time. And then I like that pretty much I put Etsy at the bottom, so I kind of know to look here, even though I have my business planner, which is more in depth of what I'm doing, like work on 3 new sets. Well, in my business planner, it tells me actually what I'm going to be doing in that. So here is today, Wednesday, January 24th. And I just put for Jimmy, he's out of town, he took my van. Jimmy's position got eliminated, but they gave them options to do a different position, so he works out of town a little bit more. So he took my van because you guys know he bought a truck, but it's old, so we don't want to put any more extra miles on it, so I usually drive his truck. Sean has baseball tonight, and then Jariah and Daniel had nothing. They did do chores, but I haven't marked it yet. We're gonna do carne asada burritos. I found a little Pinterest recipe. I actually picked up my glasses and contacts yesterday. Gas reimbursement actually came through the account yesterday, but this was pre-planned. I thought it was gonna go through today, but it went through last night. Work on the February setup. Well, this is pretty much it. And then cut my daily inserts. I've already done all that. And then Etsy, I packaged my orders, went to the post office. I'm not doing any work today. I usually try not to work on Wednesday. In the middle of the week, it helps me to kind of balance with the house and working from home. So yeah, so that was today. And then there's Thursday. I haven't written in anything yet. And then we got Friday the 26th, Saturday 27th, and then I ran out of Saturday week 4 is done, so I had to print the next set, which is this. And this is actually on a new type of paper, which I absolutely love this paper. This was more of like a resume linen paper that I was using, but this is a heavyweight, like it's a really good paper. So this will actually start the 28th. So this will be Sunday the 28th. And then, you know, obviously I have the rest of February. So this is what a blank sheet would look like. And I just write in the dates at the top and do my decorating for the week or whatever. But yeah, it just lets me know what, you know, like I said, the chores and stuff like that. So I would say I probably got more use out of the single pages, but I think I like the double pages a little bit better, just in case I have a ton of stuff to do. It's easier to work with. So that's all these pages are, is just my month. And then I just added in this little pocket. I'm probably gonna take this out because it's kind of pointless. And then here is my monthly. And with the monthly, honestly, all I did was buy a mini happy planner, which I bought, well, I want to say in October or November. I can't remember, but I bought it and then I cut it out and I put it in here. And it's just the months, it's not the weeks. So that's what I use for my monthly planning. So there's January. And then just some vellum from the Planner Society kit, and I put a Target dollar spot pocket on the front. So everything else is like the family section. That's all the stuff that I've already had in all the other planners. So if you saw that video, then my meal plan section and my finance section. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, the Filofax Domino Personal does have that back pocket, which I just put some extra blank sheets of paper in there. So yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to do a quick video to kind of share with you guys the difference between the two, but these are definitely the planner size of choice for me. Filofax has been having really good sales. I know over like November and December they had a lot of good sales, so I just waited and I didn't pay full price. So yeah, so that is my planner that I will be using pretty much for the year. So, and I'll just add in every month a new set of inserts. And I always write everything in my monthly, so if I ever need to go back to figure out when something was, it's always in the monthly as well. So that is it. Just want to share that with you guys really quickly, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.